Hi everyone, Namaste. I'm Sonam. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sonam. I hope all of you are doing fine and your loved ones are keeping safe. I'm doing fine and I'm back here to do a pick a card reading. There are a lot of planetary transits happening and I wanted to see what Jupiter going forward, which is happening on the 13th of September. I wanted to see what it holds for you and how it will impact you. As promised last time, I have picked two people from last time's video and I have a free one card pull for them. I will do it in the middle of the video, so keep your eyes open to see if it's you. And if you want me to pick a card for you in my next video, do leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, if you want to book a private session with me, the contact details are in the description. So go ahead and in the next visual, just go ahead and pick one of the cards and then come back. Bye. Welcome back. So I'm going to start this session for those who picked the yellow candle, the yellow heart-shaped candle. So let's see what Jupiter has in store for you. So Jupiter has been retrograde for a couple of months now, and let's see what the focus will be on once it starts moving forward. The focus for all those who picked the yellow heart-shaped candle is going to be on friendships. You might have neglected some of your friendships or close female friends or male friends, and you might have not spent a lot of time with them, which is completely justified given that we were going through a lockdown. And once Jupiter goes forward, you will be spending a lot of time, or you're being asked to spend a lot of time with your friends. There is a deeper need for emotional connect that a lot of you will feel, and I feel that it's very important for you at this point of time to connect with those people and to share your emotional your doubts, whatever you have, whatever you've been going through. Why don't you plan a quick trip or something? I think that will be excellent for all those who picked the yellow candle. Some of you might be facing a third party situation in a relationship that you're in, and this card tells me that this is something which might come to light now that Jupiter is going forward. For those of you who do find themselves in this situation, I'm not sure how the future will pan out for you, but what I do sense is that you will eventually get through it and you will get some peace. And especially to get through this time, it is important that you spend time with your friends and family around you. What you need to heal right now, the most important thing for you to heal is your internal chaos and conflict. So I see a lot of internal chaos and conflict happening in your mind over the last couple of months, and this is something which will become better now that Jupiter will go retrograde. So this is extremely important. You have to realize that chaos and conflict is not always bad. And once you realize this and once you embrace it as a part of your growth or your transformational plan, I do feel that a lot of you will find a lot of relief. This chaos and conflict that you went through, it was transformational for you and it has taught you a lot. And believe it or not, in the long run, you will be glad for everything that you went through over the last couple of months, because that is going to lead you to a brighter future. And the guidance for you is that there are wonders around the corner and a lot of good things are coming your way. So the most of the chaos and conflict is now over, so you can now heave a sigh of relief. And this was for all the people who picked the yellow candle. And now, as a detour, I'm going to do the one card pull for two people that I've chosen from my last video. The first person that I've chosen is Brandy Holly. Brandy, if you're listening to this video, this is a card especially that I've drawn for you. This card is called Courage, and it is asking you to be courageous in whatever you're doing right now. Be bold. This is a time to take risks. This is a time to take new initiative or do something which might scare you. And eventually, if you show courage in the current situation, whatever difficulties you might be facing, they will vanish away. And this is a message from the universe for you, Brandy. I hope you're listening. If you want me to pull a card for you, do leave. I will choose a couple of lucky people from today's video. So do like, share and subscribe to my video and leave a comment below. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. And like Brandy, you might be the next one that I choose for my next video. And now we move on to all those who picked the blue circular candle. So all those who picked the blue circular candle, let's see what Jupiter going forward will bring to you. Wow, so this is an excellent card. Jupiter going forward will bring you very close to something that you've been wanting for a really long time. This card is a card which denotes the part which is right just before the finishing line. So the cards are saying that you're just very close to the finishing line. You just have one last mile to go, so don't give up right now. You are extremely close to whatever it is that you wanted. It might feel like it's been a long time coming and you've been waiting for this for a really long time, but now from the 13th of September, as Jupiter goes into forward motion, I do feel that this is something that will bring a lot of a peace to you, in the sense that you'll finally feel that you're very close to reaching your destination, and some of you might get whatever it is that you're looking for very, very soon. This card is also asking you to look at the future with a lot of optimism and hope, because the tough times are behind you. And what happened in the last few months for you was that this card is called time for a nap. So you were probably feeling a little low on energy. You might not have taken as much initiative as you usually do. You might have try to take things a little slow. You might have tried to rest a little. These are some things which might have happened. And also, I feel that a lot of you were feeling that things were not moving fast enough. Maybe you were feeling a little tired. You could be overworked, and you just needed your rest. But this the rest and relaxation came with slowness or some sort of stagnation which might have frustrated you, and this card tells me that that part is now over and things will start moving for you very soon. Now let's see what the guidance for you is. The guidance for you is again, stand still. So this says that if you felt that things are moving very slow, you were feeling low on energy, and things might seem to be at a standstill for now, but below the surface things are moving for you. So this is something that you need to trust, that things are moving. And even though standstill is not always bad, and even though things seem to be very slow, they'll very soon start moving for you. And this was for everyone who picked the blue candle. So cool, I'm very excited for what Jupiter brings for you. And if this reading resonated with you, do leave a comment below. Do let me know if you liked it or not. We now move to everyone who picked the heart-shaped orange candle, and let's see what Jupiter moving forward will bring to you. The impact of Jupiter moving forward will last for quite some time, for a really long time. So whatever I tell you now will hold on for a really long time. The card for you is the Empress. So this is an excellent card. So Jupiter moving forward will bring a lot of creativity. A lot of your creative projects could have been on hold. Some of you might be looking to start a family. This is an excellent time. You will soon get the opportunity to start a family of your own. If you're looking to get pregnant or anything related to children, for those of you who are a little creative, this will be an excellent time for you to start something. If you like painting, poetry, singing, dancing, any of the art forms, this will be an excellent time. This will be after Jupiter moves forward, this will be a time for you when you will get a lot of creative ideas. You will get a lot of downloads, and you need to pay attention to what ideas you're getting. You need to note them down, and then you need to see how you can apply those ideas. Any ideas that you get now will be very beneficial for you in the long run. This is especially applicable if you're working in a creative field. For those who were facing some sort of problems in relationships, this will be a period which will bring a lot of calm and peace into your relationship. You will find that peace, you will find that familial bliss. And I think this is an excellent card to get you. This also denotes a lot of material comfort. And while Jupiter was in retrograde motion over the last couple of months, you might have felt a little overwhelmed. You might have felt that you're not able to breathe properly. There might have been happening a lot of things, and maybe some of you, it was ideal that some of you took some time off to just breathe and calm yourself. You might have started a meditation practice, or maybe the cards are asking that it is good if you start a meditation practice. This card is telling me that you were a little overwhelmed over the last couple of months, and a lot of things were happening and you didn't know how to cope with them. And it is, you need to stop worrying about the future. I feel that a lot of you are very worried about the future, and this card tells me that just breathe, just be in the moment, just be calm and composed, and everything that you want will fall into place. and absolutely everything will be fine. But right now is not a moment for you, not the right time for you to take some drastic steps or measures, and this is just a time for you to relax and breathe and be in the moment. And let's see what the guidance card for you says. The guidance card for you is adventure. So it tells me that there are a lot of adventures just around the corner. And once Jupiter moves forward, this when things start getting exciting, you can either feel very overwhelmed or you can feel very excited. So now the part where you were feeling overwhelmed is complete, and I feel that now is the time when you will start feeling very excited about it, which is an excellent card to get. So I'm very excited for all of you. There are a lot of adventures right around the corner. This is not a time for you to fear about the future, to wonder where things are going. This is a time for you to just be in the moment and enjoy what you're doing. I hope this helped, and I will now. This was for all the people who picked the orange candle, and now I will do another one card pull for someone who left a comment in my last video. That someone special who I have picked is Sonam Jadhav, and this is a card, Sonam, especially for you. I hope you're listening. This card says that this is a time for you to take risks. This is a time when new opportunities are calling out to you. This is not a time to play safe. So there's something in your life, some sort of new opportunity which is coming your way, and you might be very scared, but you need to take that risk. You need to take that plunge. This was for Sonam Jadhav, who left a comment for me in my last video. If you want me to pick a card for you, do like, share and subscribe to this video, and do leave a comment. And who knows, you might be the lucky person that I choose in my next video. And now I get to the last leg of my video, where I'm going to say what Jupiter going forward will bring to all those people who pick the red circular candle. So what Jupiter brings to you is, I do sense that some of you will be facing a tough decision. You will be wondering, especially it could be related to finances or career. For some of you, this decision will be very difficult. You will not be sure how to choose between two options, and you'll be very confused. And you will be weighing both the options and wondering if you should go for either of the options, and what is best for you, what is not. This is probably this could be related to a new job offer, a new career opportunity, or any other decision. It could also be a relationship, and this is something which I feel that things were at a standstill while Jupiter was in retrograde, and you were for a very long time waiting for this moment. You were absolutely ready for this, but it was not arriving. This moment of decision was not arriving, but now that Jupiter will start going forward from the 13th, this moment will arrive, and you will wonder what is the right decision for you, and you will be facing a difficult choice. There is no need to worry. Whatever happens, you will be able to make the right decision. But all the card is saying is that you need to weigh the pros and cons of both the options before taking a decision, and this is not a time for you to take a rash decision, because whatever you decide will have long term implications. During the Jupiter retrograde over the last couple of months, I feel that you were very poised. You were working very hard for something in the future, and you were putting in all your hard work, and you were very ready to take things to the next level. It could be a relationship, it could be a career. For a lot of you, I'm getting the sense that you were building a future towards a better career, and now, and you have been ready for quite some time, and you might be a little frustrated that it's not arrived as soon as you expected it to. But now that Jupiter will move forward, I do feel that this poise or this readiness that you felt, it will come to fruition, and you will be able to take the next step. The next logical step will just open up to you. And your guidance card is trust. This is a card which I pick out very frequently, and this is a very nice card. It just says that you need to trust the universe, and you need to trust that the process is going to work out. And just because things have been delayed a little and you've been ready for a long time but things have not been happening, does not mean that the universe is not listening to you. Just trust the process, believe in the universe, and everything is going to fall in place. I do see things moving forward for you. So this was for everyone who picked the red circular candle. I hope this reading helped, and if you want me to do a private session for you, there my details are in the description box below. Do reach out to me, do give me feedback, and if you want me to pick you for a free reading in my next video for a free one card pull, do leave a comment below. Do like, share and subscribe this video, and thank you for all your support. Bye bye.